How safe are your crypto assets when you use a centralized exchange? That's the billion-dollar question that keeps many investors up at night, especially after all the volatility and high-profile security issues we've seen in the crypto space. In the world of cryptocurrency, where your digital assets are your responsibility, the security measures of your chosen platform are absolutely paramount. That's why today, we're diving deep into Kraken's custody solutions, how they protect your funds, and why their approach is built to be a fortress. When you hold funds on Kraken, you're primarily using their custodial wallet system. This means Kraken takes on the responsibility of managing your private keys, which are essentially the master passwords to your crypto. Now, for the individual user, this is a major convenience, removing the stress of self-custody and the fear of losing a private key forever. But what makes Kraken a trustworthy custodian? It boils down to a few core pillars of security. First, cold storage. The vast majority, over 97%, of client funds are kept in cold storage. This means they are completely offline, in geographically distributed, air-gapped locations. Think of it like taking the biggest share of money out of the cash register and locking it away in multiple, highly secured bank vaults. An online hacker simply cannot reach it. Second, is their institutional-grade custody. For institutions and high-net-worth individuals, Kraken offers a specialized service called Kraken Custody, facilitated by their regulated banking arm, Kraken Financial. This is qualified custody under regulatory oversight, meaning it meets rigorous standards. This service uses multi-layer protection like MPC, or multi-party computation, and HSM, or hardware security modules, ensuring no single point of failure can compromise the funds. The assets are fully segregated from the exchange's operational funds, a crucial layer of protection. Finally, their proactive security culture. Kraken is one of the longest-running exchanges that has never been hacked. They have a dedicated security team, run an active bug bounty program, and are transparent with regular proof of reserves audits. These audits allow you to verify that Kraken holds 100% of the covered crypto in your account. On a personal level, they offer robust account-level security features like two-factor authentication, the global settings lock, and master keys, giving you extra control. So, whether you're a retail user relying on the exchange's proven track record or an institution requiring qualified, regulated custody, Kraken has built layers of defense around your digital assets. It's their fundamental commitment to security that underpins everything they offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.